are civil rights and how are they different from civil liberties?
Well, civil liberties apply more to each individual's freedom to do a particular thing. Civil rights apply more to group membership. Civil rights protect people from being discriminated against for their membership in a particular group.
Are these rights constitutionally protected?
Yes. After the Civil War, the 14th Amendment specifically provided for equal protection of the laws. And this meant that the laws could no longer be applied differently to whites versus non-whites.
So why was it necessary then, to have the 1964 Civil Rights Act?
Right. Even though the 14th Amendment provided for equal protection, many states still set up segregation with Jim Crow laws and separate facilities for whites and non-whites, arguing that they were separate but equal. And it wasn't until almost 100 years later that public opinion caught up and Congress could pass the Civil Rights Act to provide for the same facilities would be open to everyone. And this didn't just apply to government buildings, it also applied to private businesses that held themselves open to the public, like hotels or restaurants or movie theaters.
Are we done now with civil rights?
No, I mean, after that, we've had so many struggles from different groups. If you go back to World War II, the federal government was rounding up Japanese Americans and putting them in internment camps because they were afraid that their ethnicity was threatening to American interests. And then fast forward to, movements by feminist groups, Mexican Americans, and recently we've had lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender groups arguing for same-sex marriage rights, which the Supreme Court finally granted in 2015. And now we have a presidential candidate who says he would like to ban all Muslims from entering our country. So it seems like there continues to be work that needs to be done.
How can our students learn more about this?
Well, as students continue to read about civil rights in their textbook, I would like them to consider, why is it that Americans have had such a hard time applying this concept of equal protection of the laws to every group in society?